Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and creamy cantaloupe strawberry agua fresca that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this creamy cantaloupe strawberry agua fresca, these are my ingredients. I have a little package of cantaloupe flavor, 1 condensed milk, strawberries, 1 cantaloupe, and of course 1 liter of water, granulated sugar, and that's everything you need to refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. So let's get started. Of course, first things first, getting ready my simple syrup. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We're going to take it to the stove until it's boiling and the sugar has dissolved completely. Let me tell you, this part is very important. Once it's boiling, turn it off and just let it sit to come in room temperature. You use less sugar if you make your simple syrup at home than if you just add regular granulated sugar. I have my cantaloupe here. I am going to remove the edges so that I could stand it really good and it's nice and firm and it's not running away from me. Being very careful, I am going to start removing the skin of the cantaloupe. I am using 1 whole cantaloupe. I really love the flavor. And remember, when you're making your aguas frescas, use the fruit that is in season. Instead of buying soft drinks, make yourself an amazing agua fresca at home. And for this recipe, I am going to be using the seeds. I'm not going to remove them. I'm going to start by cubing the cantaloupe with the seeds. We're going to put it through a sifter when we're done. But this is how we're going to make our amazing and creamy agua fresca at home. I'm removing the stems from the strawberries. Once this is done, we're going to rinse, disinfect, and now we're ready to start making our amazing and creamy agua fresca. Look at this. Look how amazing they look. Before we start making it, I'm going to start cutting a little bit of the cantaloupe and a little bit of the strawberries so that we could add it to our pitchers or add it into our glass full of ice. Make sure that the little pieces are nice and small so that they really look amazing and taste delicious when you're enjoying this creamy agua fresca. Look at this. I am going to transfer it to a plate and I'm going to reserve. In my blender cup, I'm going to start adding the cantaloupe, the strawberry, and I'm going to start adding just a splash of the simple syrup and of course, water. Now I am ready to blend for a couple of minutes. Once this is done, we are going to sift it because we want to remove all the seeds and all the pulp. Look at this. Sifted really good. You really want all those properties of the seeds. You really want all that amazing flavor. And this is exactly what you don't want. Once you remove it, then you're ready to continue adding the creaminess of this agua fresca. We are adding 1 whole can of condensed milk, 1 package of Zico. This is a very concentrated and flavor of the cantaloupe. This even gives it such a beautiful color. Now, of course, finishing up with the rest of the water. I'm using 1 whole liter of water. I hope, my friends, you make it and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. Once this is done, I am ready to start pouring it into my pitcher and adding those little pieces of cantaloupe and strawberry into this creamy and delicious agua fresca. Look at this. And now I'm adding the fruit right on the top, and then I'm ready to mix. I reserved a little bit for my glass. Look how this looks. This just looks amazing. The aroma, perfect. And of course, my glass full of ice. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy cantaloupe strawberry agua fresca. I am sure you guys are going to love it, and it's perfect for this hot weather. But this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. My God, the flavor of the cantaloupe and strawberry and condensed milk, just amazing. Let me tell you, very refreshing, nice and creamy. I know you are going to love it. If you like and love this amazing agua fresca, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing, creamy and refreshing cantaloupe strawberry agua fresca. See you soon. Bye-bye.